Hello, in front of me I've got COBRA C25. In this video I'll show you how to disconnect it from Nintendo Switch. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the Nintendo Switch and scroll all the way down. Enter controllers and sensors and select disconnect controllers. All controllers will be disconnected and controller pairings will be deleted. Attach the Joy-Con controllers to console and hold X to disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.